is 8.3 of chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Question number 2, convert each part of the ratio to percentage. So in this question we have to convert the part of ratio to percentage. So let's see how we will do this. Question number 1, 3:1. You will able to see na? Okay, 3:1. So how total parts we have to count? Total parts is equals to this one plus this one, means 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So the total parts is 4. Now we have to convert first part. This is first part, this is second part. We have to convert this first part into percentage. So let's see how we will convert this. Okay, we will write here first part is equals to 3 divided by total parts, means first part, this divided by total parts 4, means 3 upon 4. Now we will convert this 3 upon 4 first part into percentage. Let's see. If we have to convert this into percentage, we have to multiply by with 100. So we will here multiply 100. Okay, so 25 4 is 100. Okay, so let's see, 4 25 are okay. So 25 3 are 75. So this is 75%. Okay, first part is 75%. And let's see second part. Same here. This is first part, so we divided 3 divided by total parts. So this is second part. So we divided first and 1 divided by 4. We have to convert this into percentage. So we have to multiply by with 100. Here same 4 25 are 25 1 ja 25%. Second part is 25%. So if we add 25 plus 75, so we get 100. So first part is 75% and second part is 25%. So total is 100%. Okay. So I will rough this and let's see the question number 2. Okay. So question number B, 2:3:5. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, or this is 5. So same here in the previous question is like here. Okay, so this is we have to find total parts. So what is total parts? Total parts is the addition of these 3. Okay, so 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. So total parts we have get 10. Okay, so we have to find first part and percentage of first part. So this is first part. So first part. Okay, first part 2. So 2 is the first part. 2 divided by 10. Okay, first part divided by 10. Total parts 2 divided by 10. We have to convert this into percentage. So 2 divided by 10, we have to multiply by with 100. 0 0 cut, 2 10 ja 20%. We will get 20% first part. Now we have to find second part. So in this second part we have to divide 3 divided by 10. Second part 3 divided by total parts. Okay, so we have to find percentage. So we have to multiply by with 100. 0 0 cut, 3 10 ja 30. So second part is 30%. Answer of second part. Now third part, this is 5. First part 2, second part and 3 divided by total parts. We have to find third part. In third part, this is third term. So 5 divided by 10. 5 divided by total parts. In every part we have to divide by total parts. Okay, understand? So 5 divided by 10, we have to convert it into percentage. So 5 divided by 10 multiplied by 100. So 0 0 will cut, 5 10 ja 50%. So if you total these 50 plus 30 plus 20, so you will get 100%. So our answer is correct. If you have to add this, if you get 100%, so you will be correct. Okay. So question number C, 1:4. So first we have to find total parts. Total parts means this plus this. Okay. So I write here total parts. Total parts is equals to this plus this. Addition of these two terms. So 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So we will get total parts 5. We have to find first part. So first part. In first part we have to divide this one with these total parts. Okay. So 1 divided by this total parts 5. So we have to convert it into percentage. So we have to multiply by with 100. Okay. 1 divided by 5 multiply by 100. So 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. This 0 will came up, so 20. 21 ja 20. So this will become 20%. Okay. Let's see second part. See, this is 20%. 100 minus 20, 80%. So second part answer is 80%. Okay. Let's see. Second, in the second part we have to divide it by 4 divided by total parts. Total parts is 5. So sorry, 4 divided by 5. We have to convert into percentage. Multiply by 100. Okay. Here 5 2 ja 10. This 0 will came up. 24 ja 80. So 80%. Okay. So you will add this 80 plus 20. So you will get 100%. So your answer will be correct. Okay. This is how you check your answer. So let's see the fourth question. Question number D. In this we have to first find total parts. Total parts means this one plus this one plus this one is equal to total parts. Let's find total parts is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. Okay. So we get total parts is equals to 8. So we have to find first part with percentage. Okay. First part means this one divided by total parts into 100. Second part means this one divided by total parts into 100. And third part means this one divided by total parts into 100. So we have to find first part. Okay. First part is equals to this one divided by total parts. 1 divided by 8 into 100. We have to find in percentage. Okay. So let's see. This 8 and this 100 is in the table of 2. Okay. So 2 4 ja 100. 2 50 ja 2 4 ja 8 or 2 50 is 100. Okay. So let 50 divided by 4. 50 divided by 4. What is the answer of 50 divided by 4? Let's check it here. Okay. 4 4 1 ja 4. 1 0. 4 2 ja 8. 2. So we put point here. So because of point we have to put 0 here. 4 5 ja 20. So answer is 12.5%. Okay. Is equal to 12.5% is the answer of first part. Now let's check second part. In second part we have to divide this divided by total parts. Okay. So 2 divided by 8 into 100. We have to find percentage. That's why we have to multiply 100. Okay. So 2 4 ja 100. Okay. So 100 divided by 4. So 4 25 4 ja 100. Not 4 25 ja 100. So answer is 25%. Okay. And we have to find third part. Third part is equals to this divided by this. first part this divided by this, second part this divided by this, and third part 5 divided by 8. So 5 divided by 8 into 100, because we have to find percentage, so we have multiply this term into 100. Okay, so 2 4 is 8, again 2 50 is 100, 5 5 is 25. Okay, so 250 divided by 4, so we have to divide 250 divided by 4. 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 1 0. Okay, 4 2 is 8, 2. So we put here point because 2 is lesser than 4, so we have to put it here 0. 4 5 is 20. Okay, 20. So what is the answer? 62.5 percentage. Okay, so here we write 62.5 percentage. Now let's check our answer is correct or not. So divided these 3. Okay, so sorry, addition of these 3 will 100. Okay, 12.5. Okay, 25 and 62.5. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. No, sorry, not this. Okay, I will teach so 25 60 625. Sorry, let's this divide this plus this first. 12.5 62.5. Okay, 5 plus 5 10. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 75. So the answer of this is 75. 70 this answer addition of these two answer is 75, and 75 plus 25, so we will get 100. Okay, 75 plus 25, 7 8 9 10, so 100%. Okay, we will get 100%, so our answer is correct. Okay, so let's see the question number 3. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. So in this question we have to find what is the percentage of decrease in the population. Means 25,000 to 24,500 decrease population, so you have to find the percentage, how many percentage the population is decreased. Okay, so let's find the decrease percentage. So let's write initial population. What is initial population? Initial population is 25,000. Okay, initial population means starting population. Initial population is equals to 25,000. Okay, and final population is this 24,500. Final population is 24,500. So 500 people is decreased. Okay, so decrease, how many people decrease? 500 people. So decrease, let's how you find decrease? Initial population minus final population. Okay, means 25,000 minus 24,500, so answer is 500. So decrease population is 500 people is decrease. Okay, let's see percentage of decrease. How many percentage of people decrease? Okay, so in this we have to so the formula to find decrease percentage is decrease divided by initial population into 100. This is the formula to find the decrease percentage. Okay, let's see how decrease. We have to put this 500 what is initial population is 25,000. Okay, so 25,000 multiply by 100. This 20 cut, this 10 also cut, so 25 2 50. So answer is 2%. So 2% of population is decreased. Okay, our answer is 2%. So let's see the fourth question. In fourth question, Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. So Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to 3,70,000. So Arun purchased a car for 3,50,000 and the next year the price came up to 3,70,000. Okay, so what is the percentage of increase? So we have to find how many percentage the price of car is increased. So here we see, so 3,50,000 to 3,70,000. Okay, means 20,000 is increased, but how many percentage increase we have to find this. Okay, so first we write the initial price of car. What is the initial price? 3,50,000. Okay, answer initial price is 3,50,000. And what is the final? I write here. Okay, final price is 3,70,000. Okay, 3,70,000. What is how many rupees is increased from this initial to final? Okay, we have to find increase price. What is how many prices increase? So we have to subtract final price minus initial price. Okay, so 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000. What is the answer? Is 20,000. Okay, you have to subtract. So 20,000 is price increase. We have to find the percentage of increase in the price of car. So formula is what? In decrease we have to write here decrease, but in increase we have to write increase divided by what? Initial price of car. Okay, initial price multiply by 100. Okay, what is the increase? 20,000 rupees increase. Okay, 4 zeros in 20,000. Sorry. Initial price, what is the initial price? Initial price is 3,50,000. Okay, 3,50,000 here. Okay, into 100. So this 0 will become cut, this 20 also become cut. So what? 200 divided by 35. So what is the answer? Let's divide. We divide here. Okay, 200 divided by 35. Okay, 35 to the 70. 35 5 ja. What is the 35 5 ja? 5 5 ja 25. 5 3 ja 15, 16, 17. 175. So we here 35 5 ja 175 because it is smaller than 200. Okay, so 200 minus 175, 25. We have to write point here and put 0. Okay, 250. Let's see. 35 7 ja 35 7 ja 35, 7 3 ja 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so 245. 35 7 ja 245, smaller than 250. Okay, so here our answer is 5.7. So 5.7% of increase in the price of car. Okay, you have to divide it like this. So our answer is 5.7%. This is increase percentage on the price of car. Okay, so let's end this session here. Okay, we will meet in next session. So thank you so much.